Are you ready to hear some anti-jokes that'll leave you rolling your eyes? These anti-jokes are so not funny that you might just laugh hysterically. To get started, let me make sure that we're all on the same page. An anti-joke, by definition, is a joke that involves the teller finishing with something that's intentionally not funny or meaningless. The irony of this is typically what leads to the humor. In other words, the joke is actually the lack of a joke. Try not to laugh because this list of anti-jokes is anything but not funny. I'm Mike with List 25, and from an anti-joke about a chicken to one about Alzheimer's and everything in between, these are 25 anti-jokes that will leave you rolling your eyes. #25. What's red and smells like blue paint?
Blue paint?
Red paint.
Oh, look at that. I'm dumb.
It's red!
Yeah, I got it.
Embarrassing. I love anti-jokes.
I know you do.
They're one of my favorite forms of humor. #24.
What's brown and sticky?
I know this one.
I thought I knew the last one. Maybe you're wrong.
A stick.
Well.
Was that right?
No.
I just told this
Teleprompter's wrong too.
Oh, what's the answer?
Stick.
Oh, I see.
Twig.
A twig. #23. What would George Washington do if he were alive today?
I don't know, but I'm excited to find out.
Well, let me tell you, he'd scream and scratch at the top of his coffin.
Oh.
He's buried.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
It's morbid.
Yeah, well. #22. If I know the answers, I will get your reaction.
Fantastic.
I'm probably going to read all of these to you then.
Okay.
What did the lawyer say to the other lawyer?
What did he say?
We are both lawyers.
Who says it? I'm wearing my lawyer shirt. I'm wearing my Better Call Saul shirt.
He's not getting any calls. The phone's off the hook.
Yeah.
Saul, you're not getting called that way.
It's not Saul Goodman yet.
Oh, he's not?
No, he's Jimmy McGill at this
Silhouette
point.
man. #21.
What did Batman say to Robin before they got in the car?
What?
Robin, get in the car.
That's terrible.
It's better than
Know your
Christian
voice.
Bale's Batman voice. Actually, no, it's not.
That's one of the reasons I couldn't take those movies seriously.
It's not even better than Christian Bale's Batman voice. That's how bad it is.
I'm Batman.
That was decent.
I can't imagine talking like that The weird thing is, he talked like that to Lucius and the people that knew he was Batman. What? #20. What did the homeless man get for Christmas?
What?
Nothing.
Ooh, I have one that goes along with this.
It's okay, I was homeless once, so it's fine.
Right. Why did little Timmy...
Also, I'm Jewish.
Why
so
did little
nothing.
Timmy fall out of the tree? So...
Why?
Because he doesn't have any arms.
Oh, poor Timmy.
What did little Timmy get for Christmas?
A swing.
Nobody knows. He still hasn't opened it.
Oh, damn, I thought it was the one where he falls off the swing.
No.
#19.
What did the farmer say when he lost his tractor?
Go ahead.
We're about to find out together. Next. I don't know.
What?
I don't know. I'm scared. Okay. Where's my tractor?
Oh, right. I thought it said found my tractor. Where's my tractor? I'm like, well, now I'm really confused.
Nope.
#18. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
No, damn it. You should probably have said the knock, knock.
Knock, knock.
Come in.
Oh.
Yeah.
We've turned these into actual jokes.
#17. How many Alzheimer's patients does it take to screw in a light bulb?
Should we? Should we?
Apparently no. Hey, Sakib, are you distracted, buddy? Do we need to get to the other side? We didn't write these.
We did not write these.
We didn't write these.
We didn't write them at all.
Sure didn't.
But we knew some of them, not that one.
No, Timmy. #16. What do you call a man with no arms or legs on the doorstep?
Doesn't matter, he's not gonna come.
Whatever his name happens to be.
Oh.
Wow.
Oops. Sorry.
15. We might not have written the jokes, but that one's on Tristan.
Big if true.
Here it is.
All right. Why did the monkey fall out of the tree?
Why?
Because it was dead.
I told you we'd get to one like that later.
That's horrible.
Because it was dead.
That joke was bananas.
I love this one.
14.
How many electricians does it take to change a light bulb?
You would think only one.
One.
There we go. Sorry.
They're anti-jokes.
All right then.
13.
What has 2 legs and is red all over?
What?
Half a cat.
It's not funny. It's not funny. Tink and Annie, if you're watching this,
Which half?
hey, hey, don't even joke about that. Don't joke about my babies.
12.
Why did the man buy watermelon?
Why?
He was in the mood for watermelon,
It's...
so he could eat it.
Yeah.
All right.
Got it.
Cool.
Now we're just guessing with...
11.
Why did the young boy drop his ice cream cone?
Why?
Because he was hit by a bus.
It's a little funny.
That'll,
Not the cat one.
That'll do it.
10.
Why didn't the octopus have any friends?
Why?
Well, because they're antisocial creatures by nature.
I like octopuses.
I forget what we decided.
I'm not wearing my octopus cat shirt.
Is it octopi now? No, we stopped. It's no longer octopi.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's octopuses now.
I've heard that. I've
I
heard it
can't
both
remember.
ways.
Yeah, I have too. But I'm like, I forget, like, the one we grew... It's almost like Pluto. We grew up thinking it's a planet. Now it's not. It's, I think, the same thing with octopi.
So you heard about Pluto.
I have heard about Pluto.
Messed up, right? Yeah. 2 psych jokes in one. Bam.
9.
Why did the waiter put rubber bands in the soup?
Because he was very bad at his job.
Because he wasn't a very good waiter.
Okay.
8.
Why was 6 afraid of 7?
Why?
Well, it wasn't. Numbers are not sentient and thus incapable of feeling fear.
Dealing with a case of imaginary numbers in this sense.
No, they're anti-jokes. That's the answer.
I'm sorry. I don't understand anti-humor. I don't understand humor.
I do.
I'm soulless and heartless.
You should go to Korea. Because the capital is Seoul.
7.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Food.
See, he's heard this one, so...
I have to pretend like I haven't.
Nobody knows because humans are incapable of communicating with chickens and therefore the chicken cannot explain his motives.
I thought you were about to just say humans are incapable of speech. I'm like,
6.
What's worse than finding a worm in your apple?
I've heard this one before, but I'm not going to go with how I heard it, so tell me.
Being eaten by a bear.
Oh.
5.
I don't remember this one.
Well, I'm going to make it up because I haven't either.
Okay.
What did the employee say to her boss in the afternoon?
Good afternoon.
That's what I was going to go with. Let's find out together.
See you later.
See you later.
All right.
Tons of different scenarios. Maybe she quit,
Oh,
but she wants to remain friends.
that's true.
Yep.
4.
Hey, the 80s called.
Okay.
They were really excited about having invented a phone that can speak to the future.
That's pretty good. That's probably the best one on here. I like that.
That's a good one. I wish you were wearing
Just a
something more
phone.
80s, though.
Well, it's
I
a
guess
phone.
the phone, yeah. That's not really 80s,
Hello?
80s. It's just not now anymore.
Well, it takes place in the early 2000s.
Oh, otherwise known as the 80s.
3.
What happens when you throw a green ball into the Red Sea?
Your green ball is now in the Red Sea.
It gets wet.
So I was close.
Sort of.
2.
What's green, fuzzy, and if it fell out of a tree could kill you?
Poisonous caterpillar.
Pool table.
I'd prefer that, if I'm being honest.
1.
You want to hear 2 short jokes and 1 long joke?
Been kind of this entire list, and I don't really think I have a choice at this point.
Joke, joke, joke. So,
That's the one that got me.
so what's your favorite anti-joke? Let us know in the comments below.
Or tweet your answer to us at List25.
do that.
Yeah.
The ones that I normally like, we can't share.
Same.
They're bad.
Yeah.
Although some of these were kind of bad.
Yeah. We apologize about the Alzheimer's one. We really didn't write this.
No, we did not.
We were just going along with it
did
because
not.
it's our job.
We actually didn't know which ones were on these lists ahead of time.
Nope.
I just knew most of them.
big if true.
It was.
Neat.
Thanks.
Enjoying our lists? Be sure to click that subscribe button on the bottom right and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new ones every Monday through Friday. Share them with friends and help us consistently conciliate curiosity. And if you want even more lists, check out these videos here or just head to our website at list25.com.